Hey friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a gun that can shoot. So the items that we need is some tissue paper, matchbox, 3 rubber bands and 4 ice cream sticks and 2 matchsticks. So let's get started. So first we need a matchbox and open it, and we have to put some tissues in it so it can be tight. After inserting it, close the box. After closing, you can see it's very tight. Next, take one ice cream stick and insert it in. So after doing this, take some rubber band and put it over here like this. After doing this, take another rubber band and do the same thing. So after doing this, take one ice cream stick and insert it over here. So guys, after inserting it, you can see it's like this. So take the 2 ice cream sticks and put it inside over here. Like this. The same way on the other side. So after doing this, take this one and attach it over here. So you can see now over here we have to take this rubber band and do it like this. Do like this 3 times. Friends, take another rubber band and attach it over here. So I have to do like this 3 times. After doing it 3 times, you can see it comes like this. So make the rubber band a little bit closer. So friends, after making the closer, now our gun is ready. So take one matchsticks and put it inside the rubber band and do like this. So after seeing over here, so friends, now I'm going to shoot. This is the bullet. So let's shoot. Now you can see friends, so I'm going to shoot another one. Let's shoot another one, friends. So friends, thanks for watching my video and subscribe my channel too. Bye bye.